Hey everybody, welcome back to Coupe de Grill. We are doing cheesy chicken fajita casserole today on the smoker. Come along, this is going to be great. Alright guys, for your cheesy chicken fajita bake, you're going to need some noodles. We're going to use these no yolk dumpling noodles. If you guys haven't checked out the dumpling noodles, I don't know what it is that they do different. These things are really good. They're not like super thick, but they're really good. You need one chopped onion, one chopped bell pepper. She did chicken. We got probably about 3 cups of already cooked chicken. You don't need to pre-cook this. We just had some leftovers, so we're going to use this in our recipe today. You need 4 tablespoons of garlic. You're going to need 1 can of diced tomatoes. Take that can, fill it half full of water, and put that in the mix as well. The right way up this time, cream cheese, full softened block of that. We're going to use about a tablespoon of the Boar's Night Out double garlic butter. If you don't have this stuff and you just want to use salt and pepper, go ahead and use salt and pepper, but this stuff is great. And it wouldn't be a fajita bake if you didn't use fajita seasoning. There you go. Last thing you're going to need is a full block. We like the Colby. Yeah, we like the Colby cheese. We're going to shred this up, top it with that before we cover it. Let's get to assembling this. All right, we've got our ingredients prepped and we're ready to throw them in a bowl. Let's check it out. So we're going to start out with about 2/3 of a bag of this. I'm not measuring it. We're just going to guess at about there. Perfect. Next, we're going to add in our onion and our pepper. We're going to go in with the 4 teaspoons of garlic. We're going to go with 1 tablespoon of this, and look at that. This container has this nice little handy deal here. Perfect for a tablespoon to fit in. It's 1 packet of fajita mix, fajita seasoning, which if you have the big tub like we do, it's 3 tablespoons. So 1. Next, we've got to have to add our chicken, 1 can of tomatoes, and a half a can of water from that tomatoes. Look at that. Last thing we got to add in, 1 softened block of cream cheese. Next thing you got to do is grab your wife's favorite mixing utensil. This is the one. So we're going to use this, but you definitely want to have something that's a little stiffer. You don't want to use something like a rubbery spatula. We're going to mix this all together. We've got our avocado spray. You're going to want to take your 9x13. If you're doing this in the smoker, you want to use one of these pans. You're doing it in the oven, go ahead and use a glass dish. But we're using this today. Either way, spray it down. Add the mixture to the pan. This is only about 8 ounces, maybe 10 ounces of shredded cheese. Yeah. Look at that. Fantastic. Out to the smoker. All right, well, we're dancing through some raindrops. I'm going to throw this back underneath the canopy, but cover it with aluminum foil. Smoker set to 375. And don't let it get wet. So we're going to let this cook for 45 minutes, and we're going to come back, take the aluminum foil off, and let it go for another 5 or 10, just to get that cheese nice and melty. Yeah.
Oh.
That looks fantastic.
Looks yummy.
All right. Close lid. 10 more minutes. We'll be back. Look at that bubbly deliciousness. Oh my. All right. Well, we're going to take this in the house, let it rest for 10 minutes, and then we're going to give her a taste test. All right, we just can't wait anymore to cut into this thing. Check this out. Oh my goodness. Cheesy chicken fajita casserole. Oh.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Ooh. Well, it looks hot.
Yeah. Oh, let's see. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's why you want to let it rest, because all the juices, get soaked up into these noodles. It lets it get a good set. Oh yeah. Okay.
Trying to get a little of everything.
Yes. think that'll do it. Oh, man. That's really good. That's chicken fajita and a casserole. That's fantastic. You guys are going to love this. Go check it out. Put it on the smoker. Put it in the oven. However you want to cook it. Cheesy chicken fajita casserole for the win. Thanks for coming along with us today. And do not forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment. It helps grow our channel. And if you want to see more of this kind of stuff with us in it, go over here. Go check them out. We're going to go eat this. You go check that out. We're doing cheesy chicken.
Are we? Are we though? What's a chicken?
It's a
country chicken.
It's got cheese on it.
Ready?
Are you ready this time?
I'm actually ready. Yes.
Take number 3.
It's only number 2.
It's my story. You let me live it.
Oh, okay, you got it then.
I think that they definitely need to know that when you're mixing this, at the beginning, your noodles are going to start to crack, and you're going to cringe a little bit, thinking, oh my gosh! But after the cream cheese doesn't mix in quite so well, you're going to be like, yeah, take that!
Great.